Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add DNS records to your domain in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. After which you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here, where you can see all the websites you can access, as you can see. So here's my website, and now let's say I have a domain that I want to add DNS records to. This is what we have to do. Basically guys, as you can see right here on the official Squarespace website, we have the steps on what we need to do to add DNS records to our domain. And as you can see right here guys, what we want to do is first open up our domain dashboard. So we're going to do so right here, the main page, by going at the top of the screen and clicking domains next to the dashboard. Currently, as you can see, I currently have no domains, but all the domains that you own are going to appear right here. So if you do not have a domain, go ahead and transfer a domain or get a domain for yourself that you can go ahead and add DNS records to. So as you can see, what we need to do is click the domain name of our domain, and if you have multiple Squarespace domains, you'll manage their DNS records separately. Keep that in mind. So what you want to click the name and click DNS settings. So once you click on your domain right here, there's going to be an option that says DNS settings that you can go ahead and manage, and there guys, you want to go ahead and add DNS records, so you can go ahead and see what the titles are and how to use them. And this is just going to be a simple button that says to add those records, and this is where you'll be able to find those settings. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.